Hi, I'm Kathy from Simple Fit Physical Therapy, and today I'd like to talk about a topic that I feel is very important as we age, and that is the topic of staying healthy and fit after the age of 50 by incorporating movement into our everyday lives. If you're just starting to get back into a fitness routine, or you've been ill, or you're just trying to avoid the aches and stiffness that come as we age, then this video is for you. As we age, staying active is one of the most important things that we can do for our health. But movement isn't just about fitness, it's about quality of life. Let's break it down into three key reasons movement is so vital. First, let's talk about joint health. Our joints are like the hinges on a door. They work best when they're moved often. Movement helps keep the cartilage healthy, lubricates the joints, and reduces stiffness. Even gentle activities like stretching, walking, or even chair exercises can make a world of difference. Try this. A simple stretch every day can help keep our joints feeling their best. And this is just a simple calf stretch. I'm holding onto the chair. I'm pressing down my heel that's in the back while bending the front knee until I feel a comfortable stretch in the back of my leg that's further back, and holding about 20 to 30 seconds. If you're doing these at home, you'd probably want to do about 3 on each side. Next, let's talk about preventing falls. Did you know that staying active can help improve your balance and coordination? This will reduce your risk of falls over time. Let's give this a try. Stand on one leg and see if you can hold that for 10 seconds. Over time, this can strengthen your leg and help improve your stability. Falls are one of the biggest risks as we age, but staying mobile can help keep you steady on your feet. Finally, let's not forget how movement affects your mind. Activity releases feel-good chemicals in your brain that helps reduce stress and improve your mood. And you don't have to run a marathon to feel the benefits. Even a short walk can help clear your mind and boost your energy. I know that getting started can seem overwhelming, but here's the secret. Small steps can lead to big changes over time. What you'll want to do is start with 5 to 10 minutes of activity. Choose activities you enjoy, like stretching, dancing, or even gardening. Make it a habit by pairing it with something that you already do, like watching TV or waiting for the coffee to brew. What's one small thing that you can do to get started? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like more tips and simple exercises tailored for those over 50 that are getting back into exercises, please subscribe and turn on the notifications. Remember, every bit of movement helps. Your body will thank you, and so will your mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.